TalkTalk full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. TalkTalk is a well-established broadband and home phone provider in the UK, offering competitive prices, a range of broadband speeds, and flexible packages. TalkTalk is best known for providing affordable broadband services, making it a solid option for budget-conscious users, families, or those who don't require ultra-fast internet speeds but still want reliable connectivity. TalkTalk's standout feature is its affordability. The provider offers broadband plans with speeds starting from 11 megabit per sec all the way up to 900 megabit per sec with their fiber optic packages. This makes TalkTalk an ideal choice for casual internet users or smaller households who don't need the fastest speeds but want a solid, reliable connection for browsing, streaming, and video calls. Their fiber options also provide good speeds for larger homes and the ability to stream content seamlessly on multiple devices. Additionally, TalkTalk offers a variety of bundles, allowing customers to pair broadband with TV and home phone services for added value. TalkTalk's customer service is also notable. With UK-based customer support and an easy-to-use online account management system, users can troubleshoot problems or make changes to their account with ease. Moreover, their fixed-price contracts ensure that you won't experience any unexpected price hikes during your contract term, which adds peace of mind. However, TalkTalk does have some drawbacks. While it offers affordable pricing, its speeds may not be sufficient for heavy users or those who regularly stream 4K content. The higher speed packages, especially those offering 500 megabit per second and 900 megabit per second, can be more expensive compared to other providers offering similar speeds. TalkTalk also has limited availability in more rural areas, and while the service is reliable, the Wi-Fi experience can sometimes be less stable compared to other premium providers. In conclusion, TalkTalk is an excellent choice for users seeking affordable broadband with reliable performance. While it may not provide the fastest speeds available, it's a strong contender for those who need a good balance of cost and value. TalkTalk's competitive pricing, decent speeds, and customer service make it an attractive option for many, especially in urban areas.